If you've ever wondered how to see the hex code in Krita, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how to sample a color from your canvas, and how to view the hex value instantly inside Krita. This is super helpful if you're working on digital art, UI design, or just trying to match colors accurately in your project. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Krita and look at the top menu bar. Go to Settings, then hover over Dockers, and from the list, enable Specific Color Selector. This is the panel that will show you detailed color information, including the hex code. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It may open as a docked window on the side or somewhere in your workspace layout. Once the Specific Color Selector is enabled, you'll want to choose a color from your canvas. You can do this in two ways. The first way is to activate the Eyedropper tool. The second way is even faster. Just hold Ctrl on your keyboard while clicking or sampling a color from the canvas. As soon as you pick a color, Krita will assign that color to the selector. Now, pay attention to the Specific Color Selector docker. The hex code will appear there immediately after the color is selected. This is the value you can copy and use in other software, design tools, or anywhere you need an exact digital color match. If you sample a different color, the hex code updates instantly, so you can keep checking colors one by one as needed. If you don't see the hex code right away, make sure the Specific Color Selector docker is actually visible and not hidden behind another panel. You can also rearrange your dockers in Krita so it's easier to access while you work. That way, you can sample colors and read hex values without interrupting your workflow. So just to recap, go to Settings, then Dockers, then enable Specific Color Selector. Use the Eyedropper tool or hold Ctrl to select a color from the canvas, and the hex code will show up inside the Specific Color Selector window right away. That's the fastest way to see hex codes in Krita. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Krita tips, and let me know in the comments what other Krita features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.